Hello everyone, welcome to our workout from home channel. We are doing day 24 workout today. I hope everyone had a wonderful Mother's Day celebrations yesterday, and once again a happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful mothers out there. We thought we could add some quarantine tips to our videos, so watch through the end to find today's tip. So before getting into the workout, let's do some warm up. For the warm up, do 10 air squats. Make sure you're going below the knee and then your chest is high, you're looking forward. So give 10 of these, and after that give 10 push-ups, regular push-ups. You're on a high plank, your wrist is directly under the shoulders and your elbows are tucked in to the body when you move down. Give 10 push-ups. And once we are done with the warm-up, let's get into the workout. We're doing something interesting today. We are doing the workout in two parts, two 9-minute parts. For the first 9-minute part, we are trying to finish 500 jump ropes. But in case if you break the jump ropes in between due to fatigue or any other reason, you're going to give 6 burpees. So the second 9-minute part, we are going to do 75 plank shoulder taps. In case if you break in between due to any reason, you're going to do 8 jumping lunges. And once we are done with the first 9-minute part, you get a minute rest. In case if you're not able to finish all the 500 jump ropes in 9 minutes, you are going to stop at 9 minutes and then take a minute break before getting into the part 2. For the jump ropes, just imagine one in hand and then do the jump ropes. So in case if you break in between, as I said, you're going to do 6 burpees. For the burpee, we are doing a squat thrust plus a push-up like this. So for the plank shoulder taps, you're getting into high plank position like this. Make sure your core is engaged and your wrist is directly under the shoulders, and you're going to tap the shoulders like this. So both the shoulders will count as one. If you see here, this 2 movements is going to count as one. You're going to do 75 of these. That means it will be 150 taps in total. And in case if you break in between for any reason, 8 jumping lunges. With jumping lunges or split squat jumps, 8 of that. Like this. In case if jumping lunges is not comfortable, you can just do reverse lunges like this, or you can do the forward lunges like this. So these are the 2 parts, and you get a 1-minute break between each part. So let me do one quick round, and in case if I break in between, I'm going to do 6 burpees. So let's do. So because I broke in between, I'm going to do 6 burpees now and then continue with jump ropes. And then I continue with jump ropes to get to my 500. Like that. So once you break, you got to do 6 burpees. So for the second 9-minute part, we're going to do 75 plank shoulder taps. So this is how we're going to continue until we finish the number of reps mentioned or to the 9-minute mark in that particular part. So as we mentioned, we are adding a quarantine tip to our videos, and today's tip is try to schedule 20 minutes for yourself in a day and do some workout and make this as a routine, and by the time the quarantine period ends, this 20-minute workout should become part of your day. It should become your routine. And just remember that it's never too late to start working out. So this is our tip for today. Hope you guys like it and you give it a try. Thank you very much. See you.